What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Juggalo Rambo back again with another one for y'all. Hoping y'all having a good and blessed day. And woo woo to my Juggalo fam. Much Wicked Clown love for life. Y'all already know. This time coming back with Honeysuckle and Rain for y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Leave a comment. Hit a like and subscribe. Either way, if you do, if you don't, we're gonna keep rocking. Let's go.
Lily petals dancing on the new front porch. Gray stroke clouds and a rumbling sound. In the distance, a thunderstorm. The trees all swaying 'cause they just can't wait for the light show coming just to spring to the stage. They singing every lyric while the limbs all shake.
Some hard ass lyrics already, for real. Ain't nobody fucking with him, man. I don't care what none of them say. They're all crazy as hell. Yeah, so they're just light years ahead.
I ain't no poet, just a thought from a place. But if a lyric makes you feel a wish my ink had taste, then you would see why there's a frame in my mind still alive, involving love, honeysuckles and rain.
Yeah.
Excited for another summer, memories keep me covered. Sprinkle sugar on every frame.
Everything.
No need to explain, it might be down here slang, but it's like love, honeysuckles and rain. Honeysuckles and rain. Love, honeysuckles and rain. Love, honeysuckles and rain.
Straight up killing.
Baby blue eyes, baby blue skies, baby blue C10 for the late night ride. Sweet talk me like a storm does the soul. The roots of your passion grabbing hold of the soul.
Yeah, so yeah, just listen to what he be saying, man. Shit just put you in that damn place, boy, I'm telling you. Just damn listen to the lyrics, man.
Excited for another summer, memories keep me covered. Sprinkle sugar on every frame.
Yeah.
No need to explain, might be the down here slang. It's like, it's like, it's like, it's love, honeysuckles and rain. It's like love, honeysuckles and rain.
Hell yeah. Well, the damn voice is crazy, boy, I'm telling you. Just doing big, big things. Other people's minds can't even comprehend where the hell he going in life, I'm telling you. And just be remembered through time and time on, I'm telling you, yes. Let me know what y'all think about it. I thought it was absolutely hard as hell. Yes. Yeah, leave some comments. If not, it's alright. Hit the like and subscribe. I hope y'all do. We're gonna keep rocking out with more to come. And hope y'all keep having that blessed day if you can. Loving life as much as you can. Woo woo to my Juggalo fam. Juggalo Rambo out.